Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix PS4 PlayStation Network sign-in failed. And if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So first, you need the automatic login. Okay, so to do that, follow these three steps. First is to go to settings and then choose the user option. Move to login settings and tick the login PS4 automatically option and restart your console and try to sign in. Okay. Second is to update your PS4 system software. So first go to settings on your console, then select system software update and select update now. When the download is complete, read the system software license agreement, then click accept and press that X button to confirm your choice. Okay? Disable media server connection. Go to settings and then select the network from the menu. You will the media server connection option. So click the option to disable it. Now change DNS settings. So there's eight steps, so you can just go ahead and pause this video in order to follow these steps. Okay? So first is to go to settings, then select network, then select internet connection setup, select use Wi-Fi to connect to the network, and choose custom. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to use and then set the IP address settings as automatic. Then select Do Not Specify on the DHCP host name screen. Then select Manual under DNS Settings, and then enter the following Google DNS. After that, click the Next button to continue. So set the primary DNS as 8888 and the secondary DNS as 8844. Okay, for the step 7, when you see the MTU settings, still select manual and then set the MTU value as 1456. And the last step is to click Do Not Use on the proxy server. Then click Test Internet Connection. When the test comes to an end, please try to resign in PlayStation Network. Okay, so now rebuild database. First is to power off your PS4, then hold the power button for 8 seconds. Connect your DualShock 4 to your PS4 using a charging cable and then press the PS button. Now navigate down to the Rebuild Database option and press X. So now is to reset your PS4 to default settings. Go to Settings and then choose Initialization. Select the initialized PS4, then select Full on next page to perform a full factory reset. So those are the methods or steps that you can follow in order to fix PS4 PlayStation Network sign-in failed. Okay? And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!